What I'm going to tell you today is neither an exercise nor an easy trick. It's a technique, or you could call it a method. If you walk in the way I'm about to show you, if you walk using this method, your belly fat will definitely reduce very quickly. Along with this, you'll also get the benefits for your thighs and lower body. If you have excess fat in your hips, that will also decrease. If you suffer from constipation, this will also provide significant relief. If you often feel bloated due to gas in your stomach, this will help with that as well. So, to know in detail how you need to walk using this four-cornered method, it's important that you watch this video till the end. Yes, I'm going to tell you about a walking technique, you could even call it a method of walking, that I'm about to share with you. This is also known as pro walking. It's also called crow walk. You have to walk the way a crow walks, but if you have severe knee problems or have been unable to bend your knees for a long time, then you should not try this. Now, for younger people who start having joint problems or need more stamina and then face issues, they need to change their diet because at a young age, if you feel a little pain while walking, or if it's due to walking too much or standing for long periods, then they can also try this. There's no problem in this because a little pain is normal at first, it's natural, so that's fine. If you correct your diet, avoid eating anything unhealthy, and exercise regularly, then it will get better. That doesn't mean you can just do a little and leave it at that. No, you shouldn't stop exercising because of this. When we start any exercise in the beginning, there's a bit of discomfort, but it gets better later. But for this, it's important to have a good diet. Your diet should include as many fruits and vegetables as possible. I definitely recommend this. So now, let's quickly see what I'm about to show you. First of all, some people, you should definitely know how to sit in this way. Some people, like us, sit in this way with their legs crossed. Now cross your legs like this and sit down. You need to get into the habit of sitting like this for a while. Maybe you haven't done it until now, but now you'll have to make it a habit. If you want to reduce belly fat, now you have to do this in the morning on an empty stomach. When you exercise, try to sit like this for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or as long as you can. Alright, when you want to give your best, press in this way, then try to sit like this 23 times on the first day, and then again on the second day. When you try to sit in this way for the second or third time, you'll be able to sit for a little longer, meaning you'll gradually get used to it. Once you can sit with support, now what you need to do is try to walk in this position. Now, in the beginning, how should you walk? At first, you need to place one book on the ground and step with the other. What you have to do is the foot with which you take a step, you need to touch it to the ground, and the one you placed ahead first, keep it in front like this. You have to walk in this way, then again touch the ground with the first one, and then move the other one forward. Continue like this. In this way, you can try to move forward on the ground. Walk like this. Do this for 10 or 20 seconds, or just 3 seconds, or for 1 minute, or do it in the morning and evening. This will benefit your stomach a lot. The movement will massage your stomach as you walk like this. You need to walk like this, so for the first, second, and third day, or for a week, you should walk in this way. Watch how to move forward and downward like this. Watch carefully, she is trying to learn. The heavier you are, or the more your weight increases, walk in this way. After a week of doing this, you will be able to walk properly for at least 1 minute, then you can take a rest. After taking a rest, walk again for 1 minute. You have to do this for about 3 years, making it a habit for 11 minutes in this way. Now you have developed the habit. What you absolutely need to do next is to carefully position yourself sitting upright like this, and then gently but firmly pull your stomach in a little bit, specifically in this particular way. It is crucial to get into the consistent habit of sitting precisely like this, meaning that for as long as you possibly can, you should slightly and consciously pull your stomach inward as you slowly and deeply inhale. Make it a deeply ingrained habit to sit in this specific manner. Take a very long, slow, and deep breath, and then deliberately exhale even more slowly and completely. Continue to do this beneficial exercise for as extended a period as you are comfortably able to sit. Now, after 1 week, first you walk properly, then you develop the habit of sitting like this. Now you can sit on your feet for 1 minute. What you need to do next is try to walk in this position as well, meaning you have gotten somewhat used to pulling your stomach in and sitting like this. Now you will try to walk. You shouldn't place your knees like this, just keep them as they are, the way you walk normally. If you are not able to do it, you can open your legs a little like this, just a bit in this way, if you still can't do it. But once you are able to, then walk in this way. Let me show you this important exercise from the front. Walk a little. Walk for as long as you comfortably can, perhaps for 20 seconds initially, then gradually increasing to 50 seconds, or even a full minute. When you begin to feel a bit tired or fatigued, just gently sit down like this and take several deep, calming breaths. This allows your body to recover. Then you can start another beneficial set, maybe for 30 seconds or a minute, continuing for as long as you feel completely comfortable and capable. This simple yet effective activity is also a wonderful exercise in itself. Consider this particular movement as a second, highly accessible exercise. If for any reason you find yourself unable to perform the other more strenuous exercises, then simply focus on doing just this one. After walking like this regularly, if you happen to have some precious free time in your busy day, you can gently massage your legs to further aid in relaxation and circulation. And crucially, if you consistently follow a proper, balanced diet, you will significantly reduce or even eliminate the occurrence of knee pain. Knee pain in many cases usually happens because of an inadequate or poor diet that lacks essential nutrients. So try to walk like this consistently, make it a healthy habit gradually over time, and you will notice that your stubborn belly fat and hip fat will naturally reduce on their own, leading to a healthier you. The specific technique I have carefully shown you is incredibly effective and truly beneficial. Do it diligently, and you will certainly get immense relief, and surprisingly, even issues like constipation will be resolved. So, my dear friends, if you genuinely liked this informative video, please don't forget to give it a big like and share it with your loved ones. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more helpful content, and you can also follow me on Instagram for daily updates and tips. That's all for today. Bye for now.